Welcome to today's video of Math Strategies Made Simple with Mrs. Braun. Today we're going to look at a concrete way to show subtraction. So we're going to start with the problem 168, and from that we're going to take away 25. When I subtract, I'm taking away from an original amount, and so I'm going to represent this top number, 168, because that's what I'm starting with. So in the ones place, I have 8, so I'm going to show 8 ones. In the tens place, I have 6, so I'm going to grab 6 tens. And in the hundreds place, I have 1, so I'm going to put 1 hundreds. So altogether, this shows 168. From this, I'm going to take away 25. So like always in addition and subtraction, I'm going to start in the ones place. So I have 8, and I'm going to take 5 away, which leaves me 3. 8, take away 5 is 3. Then I'm going to move to the tens place and have 6 tens, and I'm going to take away 2 of them. I'm going to take 2 of these tens away. Then that leaves me with 4 tens. In the hundreds place, I have 100, and I'm going to take away nothing. I don't have anything in the hundreds place, so I'm going to leave that there. Down here you can see that I have 25, which represents the second number, but here's my answer up here, 143. Now let's look at another problem where we're going to have to regroup. Let's look at the problem 174. Take away 35. Okay, so again, I'm going to represent this top number. Starting in the ones, I have 4 ones. So I'm going to put 4 ones here. Then I'm going to move to the tens place, which I have a 7. So I'm going to grab 7 tens. I'm going to set those out. And then I have 100s. So 100. 174. And from that, I'm going to subtract or take away 35. So again, I'm going to start in the ones place. I have 4, and I'm going to take away 5. But when I go to take away 5, I don't have enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to regroup. I'm going to change the way that one of these tens looks so that I have enough ones to take away. So if you notice, I've got these 10 ones, and just like with the addition, I'm going to trade it out or regroup. I'm not changing the value, I'm just changing the way that it looks. So now I'm going to take this away and leave the 10 ones. Now I have 14 total. So what I just did is I took one of the tens, which left me with 6, and I added 10 ones to the ones place, which now I have 14 ones. Now I have enough to take away the 5. So I'm going to take away 5 ones, which leaves me with 9. Then I'm going to move to the tens. I have 6 here, and I'm going to take away 3. So I'm going to take 3 of these away, which leaves me with 3. And then I have 1. I'm still not taking anything, so I still have that 100. So here's my 35 that I took away, and I'm left with 139. Let's look at one more. Alright, now we're going to look at 246, and we're going to take away 172. So again, I'm going to start by representing this top number, 246. In the ones place, I've got 6 ones. In the tens place, I have 4 tens. And in the hundreds place, I have 2 hundreds. I'm going to take away 172 starting in the ones place. So in the ones place, 6 take away 2. I'm going to take these 2 away, which leaves me with 4. Then I have 4 tens, but I need to take 7 away. So I'm going to regroup. So I'm going to take this 100 and I'm going to turn it into tens. I'm going to grab 10 tens. Again, I'm not changing the value, I'm just changing the way that it looks. So you can see that it's equal, so I'm going to just put those here, take that hundreds block away. So I just took one of the hundreds blocks away, which leaves me with 1. I added 10 more tens here, which gives me 14, and now I can take away the 7 that I need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it leaves me with 7 tens. Then I have 1, and I need to take 1 away, which leaves me with nothing. So you could put a 0 there or leave it blank. So down here I have my 172 that I needed to take away, and I'm left with 74 as the difference, or my answer. Here's one for you to try at home. 342 minus 151. Alright, I hope this video is helpful, and we'll see you again soon.